Okay, I am in the garden and the devastation has struck. Yes, well, a few days ago, I came out, I saw some aphids, and it was on this tomato plant. I removed the aphids and I killed them, like, well, not aphids. They were something else, but predatory. Um, and they were going to take out my plant. Well, coming to the garden, this whole thing, all the leaves, all the everything, I had actual blooms on this, like little flowers, and we were ready to start creating fruit. And then I find this. Do y'all see that? It's blending in with the stem, but it's just working its way and killing my plant. I was already kind of wondering about it because the tomato plant doesn't have its like, what is that? It doesn't have its this bright green look. They're kind of more of a pale green, and so I was like, do I need to pull these, or I don't know what needs to happen. But this is the hungry caterpillar at work, and here it is. You gotta go, bro. You gotta go. Ooh, on here nice and secure. Get off. Ew. Get off of my plant. Damn caterpillar. Do I cut the whole stem off? It's just here. Get off. Stop eating my stuff. It's my food, not yours. Oh gosh. There he is. Bane of my existence. Today is your last day, bro. It's over for you. Like, you killed one of my well, I don't know if the tomato plant is killed or not. If it's dead, if it's killed it. But so sorry. You're going into the house where you're gonna die. Thank you. Do you think I should put this in my compost bin? Is that a good place for it? Probably not. Will they multiply and then whenever I get ready to plant stuff, start eating stuff again? Probably not. Okay, I think that was a bad idea. Say bye to hungry caterpillar.